Hey foodies, did you know that nearly 1/3 of all food produced globally goes to waste? Imagine if you could print your meals at home and reduce that waste dramatically. Welcome to the revolutionary world of 3D food printing. 3D food printing isn't just some sci-fi fantasy, it's here and it's ready to transform your kitchen. This cutting-edge technology allows you to create intricate, nutritious meals with just the press of a button. Intrigued? Let's dive in. We all know the struggles of meal prep, the endless chopping, the time constraints, and the challenge of catering to dietary restrictions, not to mention the waste we end up with when ingredients go bad. That's where 3D food printing comes in as a game changer. So how does it work? These printers use edible ingredients, often in paste form, to build up layers and create your meal. Think of it as a culinary 3D puzzle. You can use a variety of ingredients, vegetables, proteins, even chocolate. The possibilities are endless, from customized pizzas to gourmet desserts. I recently tried a 3D food printer myself, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. I printed a perfectly balanced, delicious veggie lasagna in under an hour. No mess, no fuss. The satisfaction of seeing a meal come together right before my eyes was incredible. And the taste? Absolutely amazing. To wrap things up, 3D food printing can make meal prep a breeze, cater to your dietary needs, and significantly cut down on food waste. It's not just a novelty, it's a revolution in home cooking. So what do you think about 3D food printing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what other cooking tech you'd like to see. And don't forget to check out my next video on the latest kitchen gadgets. Happy cooking!